Welcome back to GotWire. Today I have the U7 Pro Wall access point from Ubiquiti. And full transparency, I bought this with my own funds. I'm going to be upgrading another in-wall access point here in my hallway with this U7 Pro Wall access point. So we'll get this unboxed here. So here's the access point, what it looks like. You can get a cover on the front of this and a box that goes deeper in the wall if you wanted to paint over this and make it look somewhat hidden. It still does protrude a little bit from the wall when you get that box that puts it in the wall, but not as much as, you know, the regular bracket that it comes with. It comes with this metal bracket. On the back here, this is a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, and it takes PoE Plus to power it. You get your Ubiquiti level to help you level the bracket and the workbox. You get your key here to take it off the wall, and that gives you some drywall anchor screws, and it gives you, it looks like, some workbox screws in case you need them to mount this to your workbox. And it looks like it's pretty easy to mount. You just attach this to your workbox, and then this part here just slides onto it, and then it clicks, and it doesn't come off. And then up top there, you have to use the key, and you just press down, and then it'll slide off. So let's go get this installed in my hallway and replace my old access point that I have. So this is what I currently have, an AC in-wall access point. I'm going to be replacing it with this U7 Pro in-wall access point. So we'll get this off the wall here and get this installed. There's just one tiny little screw underneath here, and then we can take this off. Cover just comes off. Then you have to undo these two screws here on each corner. And then this part just pops off. Undo your Ethernet cable. And then you just have to take the back plate off here. Just have to install this new back plate now. And if you look here, this has a really wide range of left and right. So in case your workbox isn't straight in the wall, you can definitely make it straight because it has a really wide range. Now just gotta plug up the access point. And then just slide her down. And it definitely is way bigger than the old one, but I don't mind it being this big as long as I get better Wi-Fi. Just gotta wait for it to turn solid white and then adopt it, and then I'm all set. So after installing the U7 Pro in-wall access point, I ran some speed tests. I'm gonna try to put it up either over here or over here. And with open speed test, I got 1890 down and 1049 up, and that's over Wi-Fi. And I was in the next room over. Basically, I have a hallway upstairs and I have a room on each side. And I was just sitting here in this room running a speed test with just one wall in between me and this access point. And then I ran one with just speedtest.net. I have 2 gig internet from AT&T at my house. So 2 gig down and 2 gig up. And with that speed test, either up here or like I said, up here, I had to put it on 320 megahertz for both these speeds to be this quick. And I got 1601 down and 1246 up. So all in all, this is a very fast access point as long as you have a 6 gigahertz capable device. Like me, I was using my S23 Ultra phone to test with this. And as long as you put it on 320 megahertz on the 6 gigahertz, you can get some pretty fast speeds over Wi-Fi. This is a great access point if you're looking for really fast Wi-Fi and you want a really clean look, especially if you have a Cat 5 or a Cat 6 inside of a work box. It's like, as you saw, it's real easy to mount it to a work box. But I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys liked the video, I'd appreciate it if you went down there and hit that subscribe button. I got more videos to come. Leave me a comment, put it down below if you think I did something wrong, or if you got any questions or any problems, drop me a comment. I'll try to answer you as best as I can, especially if you have any problems. I'll try to work it out with you. But I'm Adam. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.